Do you want to earn PayPal money just like this? And right here is another PayPal payment. Guess what? You can just repeat this as much as you want. This is actually very simple, very easy that anybody can do it without any experience. In fact, this is 100% free. You don't need any investment or money to get started, and this opportunity is available in all countries in the world. Now in this quick video, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account, and I'll walk you through different examples and walk you through step by step on how to do this. At the end of the video, I'll give you a copy and paste template as a bonus. You can start earning money starting today, so make sure you watch the full video until the end and do not miss out on any important steps. But before we do that, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'd also love to talk to you. Just leave a comment below. Now in this video, the website that I want to show you where you can earn a lot of PayPal money fast is Capterra. You can just go on to capterra.com. Here's the warning before you leave this video or you skip any part of this video. I have 2 warnings for you. Number 1 is the sign-up process here is a little bit complicated. You can see here this is the entire sign-up process, and there are literally 3 steps that you have to follow. If you don't watch the full video, you will not sign up successfully. You'll not make any money. Number 2, the reason why you should keep watching this video is because at the end of this, I'll show you a copy and paste template. In fact, I'll show you everything about how I'm making money on this website, and you can literally copy everything that I show you. Once again, I'll give it to you for free, so you should keep watching. Let me show you exactly how it works. Now basically, on capterra.com, they're going to pay you money by simply writing simple reviews for different software. So you can see here right on this website, they have literally hundreds and thousands of different software. You can write a very simple review and you can get paid for every single review that you write. Don't worry because you don't need any technical skills, you don't have to need any experience, and you don't need any money, and you don't need to be good at English. You can do this from any country in the world. In fact, I'll show you how you can copy and paste the entire review that I have written for you. You can just copy and paste and start making money after watching this video. So right now, without wasting any of your time, we're going to dive straight into writing a review. First of all, I want you to go to the homepage of Capterra and click on the link right here on top, Write a Review. From there, that's going to take you to this page where you can simply search on any product or any company or any software that you want to write a review for. Otherwise, you can see here they recommend some popular software that you can write a review on. So in this video, I'll give you a special bonus tip, which is to focus on PowerPoint because it's actually very easy. I'll show you my entire template that you can copy and paste as you can see here. Right now, what I want you to do is type in the keyword PowerPoint and click on the search button. When you scroll down below, you want to look for this link right here, which is PowerPoint by Microsoft, and you want to click on that. That's going to take you to this page where you can simply write a review for PowerPoint. Once again, you can do this on your phone or you can do this on your computer. I want you to comment down below and let me know what kind of devices you're using. Do you use a phone or do you use a computer? When you scroll down below, you can see here the entire process on how to write a simple review for PowerPoint. You can earn $10 and you can do this in less than 2 minutes. Let's go down to the very bottom of this page. You can see here this is actually just step number 1. There are a total of 3 steps in this video. So the initial part of step number 1 is you're going to fill in some personal information. Just put in your first name, your last name, your email address, and for the job title, make sure you follow everything that I show you. I want you to be a freelancer. This is very important because if you don't have any job title, they will not accept your review and you will not make any money. For the organization name, you can just put in self-employed. Then for the industry, when you click on this down arrow, you can find the industry that you are working on right now and just choose that. Or otherwise, you can just put in computer software because you'll basically write a review for software. Once again, you don't need any experience. For the company size, you can just choose yourself only because you are self-employed. For how long have you used this software? It's very important if you click on these options here. You can see these choices here, and if you choose a free trial, you will not get paid. So it's very important to choose a minimum of 6 to 12 months so that they know that you have certain experience using the software yourself. So moving on to the second part of this step, how frequently do you use this software? You can click on these selection options and I want you to choose one at least weekly. Finally, what is your role in using the software? Make sure to choose I am a user because you want to be the one using the software yourself. They will approve your review and you can make money. So if you're still watching right now, you have done a great job, and that's how you complete step number 1. But before I show you the next steps, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a comment below. Moving on, just click on the next and we'll go into step number 2. Basically on this step, they want you to put a rating. How many stars do you give to the software that you're using right now? You can just select and rate anything you want. It's a very simple step actually, just click a few buttons, but before we continue, I want to make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can receive more money-making videos in the future. Now you can see here that there are a few things that they want you to put up in a rating. For example, overall quality. So in this case, I highly recommend you to put 4 to 5 stars to get accepted. So in this case, I just put a 5-star for all of these criteria. Now, even though they say it's optional, I would highly recommend you to rate them as well to get accepted. So in this case, I just put a 5-star for all of these criteria. As you can see here and moving down, how does the pricing for PowerPoint compare to similar products? Once again, it's optional, but I want to make sure that you answer this question as well. So in this case, I choose mid-tier. How likely is it that you recommend PowerPoint to your friend or your colleague? Now in this case, I'll choose number 9 or number 10 because it's actually a very good software. So that's all you gotta do for step number 2. You can just literally do this in less than 10 seconds. So just go ahead and click on the next button to go on to the final step. Step number 3. This is important because this is where a lot of people fail to make money on this website because they don't know exactly how to write a review. You can see here you're going to put up a title for your review. You're going to write about the pros and cons, meaning what you like most about the software and what you don't like about the software. After that, you will still have to describe your overall experience with PowerPoint, and there are many things to write on this step. A lot of people are stuck here. They don't know how to proceed. That's why I want you to keep watching this video so you can see it. Here's the entire script that I want to share with you. We can see here a PowerPoint review. You can do it in less than 2 minutes. It is crazy. You can literally earn $2 per minute using this exact strategy. Now basically, you can see here the entire pros, and this is the entire cons about the software and your overall experience. So that's all we're going to need here, and you can just copy and paste this answer and put them right here into our review. The reason why this is so important is that you're going to make sure that your first few reviews are accepted, and then they'll send you more and more reviews. Now, for a lot of beginners, when they fail to get approved on their first submission, they will not receive any more reviews in the future. But if you use my proven script, you can literally get approved within 24 hours and receive your earnings. Now in just a moment, I'll show you how to copy and paste my template, and I'm going to share with you another strategy before that. Now, for example, when you go on to Capterra, you can actually check out other people's reviews about PowerPoint. You can see here on this website hundreds and thousands of people that are leaving reviews about PowerPoint. You can see here all the pros and all the cons of PowerPoint. This is the actual review that is given by other people, and a lot of people are leaving reviews and making a lot of money. Now say for example this guy right here. This is actually his review. Here's the title and the overall experience. You can also see the pros and cons that he left on the website. So by just simply leaving this review, he's making money. As you can see here, when I go down below, there are literally so many people from different countries in the world. They're leaving a simple review about PowerPoint and they get paid every single day. Guess what? You can simply go onto this website and you can check out literally tens of thousands of reviews by other people who are already making money on this website. You can get some inspiration and ideas on exactly how they are writing their review, and you can copy some of their sentences. You can refer to them and you can put it in your own words and thoughts into their review as well. And that's the extra strategy that I do want to share with you. Now, a lot of people don't share this secret and strategy. I want to make sure that I can help you as much as possible. If you appreciate that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. So basically, for the title of the review, you're going to write something like PowerPoint review. That's all you gotta do. And for the pros category under this box, you're going to write something about what you like about this software. Now basically, that's the script that I wrote for you. So you can just copy the script right here and paste everything right here into this box. Moving on, you can do similarly for the cons. You can see here, just go back to the script and copy this one and paste everything into the box. So that's all you have to do for 2 boxes. Finally, on the last one, describe your overall experience with PowerPoint. Once again, it is optional, but you can see here a lot of people who are making money on this website are actually answering this question. So it's very important to answer this question to get paid. So that's actually my overall experience. Just go on and click on the copy button and paste everything right here into this box, and that's all you have to do for the entire review. Now this is actually the most difficult part for a lot of people, but you can do it in less than 1 minute because number 1, you can get this copy and paste template, and number 2, you know the secret and how to refer to other people who already successfully submitted their review. So I try to make my video as simple as possible for all of you guys without any experience. For the last one, do you switch from another product? You can just click on no, and that's all you have to do. And finally, you can just click on this one right here to agree to the terms and conditions, then just click on the submit button. Now as you can see here, your product review has been submitted. You can just repeat the entire strategy, or you can just keep your momentum going and search for other different products or software to write a simple review and earn $10 in less than 2 minutes. Once again, there are literally hundreds and thousands of different software programs where you can write a simple review, and you can just refer to other people. Just search on Google and look for other people's reviews, and use the answer to get inspiration, and repeat the process again and again. That's it for today's video. This is Finance Babe. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.